Hi guys, today we're gonna make a paper airplane. So we need to fold it. We need to fold it carefully so it won't be odd. Okay, I fold it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out, then fold this. Okay, am I doing it correctly? Okay, wait, no. Okay, undo. Then you need to do this. Then what you need to do is you need to first get this. Then you need to start this, then this, then this, then go all the way down. Then you need to make this. Okay, then what you need to do is do this. Then you need to do this. Then you need to do this. Okay. Then you need to do this. See, now it's a paper airplane. Okay, I'll show you how it flies. Okay, so now I'm gonna throw this paper airplane that side, okay? I'm going to start from here. 3, 2, 1, go! If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.